see the formal definition of push down automata. In finite automata, there were 5 tuples. In push down automata, there are 7 tuples. So these are the tuples Q, sigma, this new one is a tau, delta, Q0, Z0 and F. So Q is nothing but the set of states. Sigma is nothing but input symbols are the alphabet. Then next one is the tau, that is nothing but the stack symbol. Means we are going to take extra memory that we can represent with the help of this tau symbol. Then next is a transition function. This transition function is little bit different. Means in finite automata we saw Q into sigma or epsilon. If it is a NFA, we also consider epsilon. And then we reach to 2 raised to Q like that. So this was the transition function in finite automata in NFA. But here, as we are going to check stack symbol also, so that thing we need to take. So this is nothing but the tau symbol. Means along with this input alphabet, we are going to check the part what is present in your stack. So that is nothing but the tau. And what it is giving? Q into tau star. Means from one state to another state we are reaching. Along with this star is nothing but we are going to perform either push operation, pop operation or no operation. So this is nothing but these 3 operations. That is what here star is a representation. Means not only we are checking the input symbol of string but also checking the alphabet of the stack, inside the stack, and we are reaching from one state to another state along with some operation. So this is the meaning of transition function. This is the delta. Then final state. Again in push down automata there may be one final state or number of final state. So this is the final state subset of Q. Then Z0. This Z0 is the initial stack symbol, which means in stack initially there is Z0 is present. Means it is telling us we can push after this Z0 only. Okay, so that is nothing but initial stack symbol. So this is the formal definition of push down automata. Now we will see the functions. Now here we will see different operations on a stack in push down automata. So there are 3 operations. First is push operation, pop operation and no operation. In finite automata we saw if input string or on input string how our transition function is working. Means let us consider one state is there. From Q1 on input symbol A, I am moving to Q2 state. So how we can represent with the help of transition function? From Q1 on A, I can move to Q2. So this is the representation of transition function and this is a graphical representation of the finite automata. Both are same thing. So same way we can represent in push down automata. There are 3 operations, push, pop and no operation. So we need to show that operations also. So here first operation is a push operation. So this is the transition function. These are the 3 things. So first is state, means current state. Okay, so this second one is the current input symbol and this one is the stack symbol. So these 3 things we need to consider. As we know, our transition function in push down automata is Q into sigma union epsilon. Along with we are going to consider stack symbol and then that is nothing but the next states along with operations of the stack, push, pop and no operation. So this is the transition function. So for push operation means from current state on input symbol and the stack symbol we need to consider. And if there is a push operation, so how we can show this part? So this is nothing but this one. And push operation. Now here for this push operation, how we can show? I am moving from one state to another state. So this is the next state and this is AB, means push operation. Now means from Q1 state on current input symbol, that is A, this, let us consider this is the string. Now pointer is here which is having current input symbol A, and meaning of this one is what? If in stack there is a B character or B symbol is already present, means from Q1 state on input symbol A, if B is present in the stack, do push operation. Push operation means what? First pop that B from the stack, then attach current input symbol to B, means combine these two, A and B, and again push into the stack. That will become AB. So this is nothing but the push operation. Means in stack B is already present, current input is A, push that A into the stack. But how we can push it? First pop the B, then concatenate A and B and push that one. So this is the representation. So this we can show with the help of graphically, and this is the transition function. So same, this is represented over here. So this is the first operation, that is a push into stack. Now next is a pop from the stack. Okay, pop operation. So same way, from current input Q1, if current input symbol is A, and if in stack, this third is representing, if in stack there is a B, pop this B. Pop this B. Meaning is what? Means how we can show that pop operation? We are going to show this with the help of this epsilon. Means we are moving from one state to another state with the help of pop operation. So here it is a representation. Means on current input symbol A, just read that A, and if there is a B letter or the B symbol in your stack, pop that symbol and read A and pop B. Means B is pop from the stack, and simultaneously you are moving from one state to another state. Okay, so for pop operation we are showing epsilon. Same here, epsilon. Now third is a no operation. No operation means what? Reading input symbol, no operation on stack. Means no push operation, no pop operation. So same way again we are going to see input state Q1, input letter or the input symbol is A, in stack there is a B letter. Now this is a no operation, means stack symbol will be as it is. Just I am reading input symbol, that is a A. So how we can show it? From Q1 state, read input letter, input symbol A, B is already there in your stack, keep as it is. Keep as it is. Just reading the input symbol. So what we saw first is push operation. So in push operation, if my incoming symbol is A and in stack is B, then we are doing push operation AB, like this, AB. Pop operation, if my input symbol is A and in stack is B, pop it from the stack, means we will pop this B. We are reading A as well as popping B. Both operations we are performing. So how we can show that pop operation? Epsilon. Then no operation. No operation, how we can show? Input symbol is A. In stack there is a B. Just read A. Just read A. But no operation on stack. So keep B as it is. Like this. So these are the three operations which are very important. because while solving examples, either with the help of this graphical representation, we are going to design our push down automata, or either with the help of this transition function. Okay.
Thank you. If you like this video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.